So this is the U.S. courthouse in San Juan, Puerto Rico. So you can see right there. Gates are closed. Also, look like the post office is up there also. So very interesting building. We're approaching some of the shops. It is a very, very hot day here on island Puerto Rico. Down that way, got some street vendors. And then this way, some more shops. So I'm gonna go across the street. We got a cute little boutique right here. We have to get back on board at 3:30, by 3:30. So I've been to Puerto Rico a couple of times. Well, I guess couple would not be the right word, but a few times. And I've done the excursions. But the thing about the excursion sometime is that you only get to go to the tourist area. But when you do your little own walking, then you get a opportunity to see things that you wouldn't normally see. We're gonna go up here. And as you can see, this is very old. See, they got some food place in here. And as you can see, it just goes all the way up. Then you have here, and as you can see, this particular Bank of Nova Scotia, I haven't seen Nova Scotia for a very long time. They have these banks in Jamaica, if they still do. It's been a while since I've been to Jamaica also. But I just wanted you to kind of see what the buildings look like. I like those guardrails. They're extremely interesting. But this particular building needs some restoration. As you can see, the plywood right there. Now, this would be something that I would love to get my hands on for real estate. But we're gonna go back down to the harbor, down to the port, and as you can see, that's the water down there, and you can see some of the industrial area through Puerto Rico. Way back there, you're looking at an industrial area. As you can see, the building, it's behind a tree right there. Some of the signs are in English, some of them are in Spanish, some of them are in both. As you know, the default language in Puerto Rico is Spanish. Spanish, truly influenced by a lot of English. Like this little structure right here. That is very interesting. And then here we have the bank. Over here we have monument.
Hi, are you here for the food tour by any chance? No? Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go this way. Very interesting. A lot of old world feel. Just waiting for all this vehicles to middle of summer. It is about 100 degrees, but somebody got their hoodie on. One of the things I like about stopping in Puerto Rico and St. Thomas is because technically it's almost like entering the United States because it's a United States territory. Over there, see all those pigeons? And you got a lot of almond trees and things here. Got a few homeless people around. Down there, you can see a nice structure. It's just a lot of walking, so just gonna not do that. But as you can see, way down there, there's like a waterfall. There's a lot of scooters. And then down on the ground right here, these are almond. This is the almond tree.